Now our motto determine I naught. Our motto determine I naught. So first of all we assume in this loop that is I1 current, and in this loop that is I2 current, and in this loop that is I3 current. I3 and I naught is the same. Okay, loop current and branch current are same, that's why written like this one. Okay, now what about branch current? Suppose that is IA and that is IB and that is IC. Okay, I know that I1 direction loop current I1 and loop current I3. Okay, and branch current IA. What about IA? Direction of I1 that is like this one, direction of I3 like this one. So if you want to IA in the direction of I1, so written as IA this is equal to I1 minus I3 or I1 minus I naught. Okay, so you can say that IA this is equal to I1 minus I naught. Clear? First of all make it. After that, now in this branch I1 like this one, I2 like this one. What about IB like this one. Okay, so I2 here and I3 direction of I3 like this one. So you can say that what about IB? If you want to write IB, then that is I2 minus I1. Okay, that is I2 minus I1. Clear? Now another way, in this branch that is IC, this one is I3 and that is I2. Okay, direction of I3, direction of I2. So what about IC? IC is written as I2 minus I3, I2 minus I3 or I2 minus I naught. Clear? That is clear? What about I1? What about I2? What about I3? IA is I1 minus I naught, IB this is equal to I2 minus I1, and IC this is equal to I3 minus I2. Sorry, I3 minus I2. I3 minus I2 or sorry, and it is also written as I naught minus I2. Clear? Silly mistake here. I3 minus I2, direction of IC like this one. So and I3 is also same. So it means I3 is written IC is written I3 minus I2. I2 direction is opposite to the I3, that's why negative. Okay, so it is clear what is the relation between branch current and loop current. After that what about polarity? So first of all make box corresponding to first one that is according to dot sign convention. There are dot means mutual impedance between these two and these two. It means two effect. One field effect, mutual effect on this one, and one field IA field mutual effect on IC. So it's make like this one. Again similarly this one is also, if you want to make, that is effect on IA and effect on IC. Okay, now next target IC is written as I naught minus I2. Okay, so now here make box. Okay, effect on IA and effect on IB. Okay, that's why I make like this one. Now another way, that is J880 ohm, here J40 ohm, and here J60 ohm. Clear? Now how can check polarity and IA effect on IB? So that is written as J10 into IA and J60 into IC. J60 into IC. Now J10 into IB and J60 into IC. Okay. Now here J30 into IB and J20 into IA. Clear? IB and IC. Effect on this IB, that is 10 IB and that is 20, sorry, this is 20, that is 20. Okay. Now effect on J20 IA and J30 IB. Clear? Now here J10 IA and J30 IC, that is 30 IC. Clear? Now what about dot polarity? First, if you consider plus minus, it means corresponding to this one is positive, plus minus. Okay, IA effect on IB, that is plus and here minus, so plus minus, and corresponding to here, that is plus and here minus, so effect on IA, so plus minus. Clear? Now current enter from plus to minus, so if this one is positive and this one is negative, means IB effect on IA current, IA portion, that is, this is plus minus, it means plus minus, and this one is a plus minus, so IB effect on IA circuit, that is plus minus, so it's represent plus minus. Okay, and this one is negative positive. Clear? Now what about IC? From positive to negative, so the plus minus and that is plus minus, so IC effect on IA circuit is plus and minus, IC effect on that is minus, that is plus. Okay, and finally circuit like, and that is plus 50, plus minus 50 at the angle 0, and here this one make like this one, and sorry, that is 100 ohm. And what about current? Branch current is I2. Loop current and branch current in 100 ohm is I2. Okay. Now that is minus j 50 ohm. And what about current? That is I naught, and this one make corresponding to here. Okay, so first of all apply KVL in this loop, and that is IA, and that is IB, and that is IC. Okay, apply KVL in this loop, first loop, that is plus minus, and that is plus minus. Okay, now minus 50 at the angle 0 plus j 40 IA plus j 10 IB plus j 20 IC. Okay, minus 80 j 80 IB minus j 10 IA minus j 30 IC. This will be equal to 0. Okay, if divided by 10j, then we got, first of all, clear, then it is written as, this one is also written as j square, so 5j plus 5j plus 4IA IB plus 2IC minus 8IB minus IA minus 3IC. This will be equal to 0. Clear? Now minus j5, this will be equal to IA, that is 3IA. Okay, that is 3IA, that is minus 7 IB and 2, that is minus IC. Okay, now that is equation number 1. Now better to put the value of 3 IA is I1 minus I naught minus 7 IB I2 minus I1. After that, what about IC? IC this will be equal to I naught minus I2. This will be equal to 0. Clear? Now this one is written as minus 5j. This will be equal to 3 plus 7, that is 10. That is 10 I1. Okay, plus 7, minus 7 plus 1, that is 6, minus 6 I2, and minus 3 and minus 1, that is minus 4 I naught. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Okay, now apply KVL on another loop. First apply KVL in loop 2, and this was loop 3. Minus to plus minus j50 into I naught plus j20 IA plus j30 IB plus j60 IC minus j20 IC minus j10 IB and minus j40 IA. This will be equal to 0. Okay, Now again divided by J10, 10J, then we got minus 5 I naught plus 2IA plus 3IB plus 6IC minus 2IC minus and minus 4IA is equal to 0. Okay. Now minus 5, this one is minus 5 I naught, 2A and minus, that is minus 2A, IB and IB, that is plus 2IB, and IC, that is plus 4IC, this is equal to 0. Clear? IA, IB and IC corresponding to this one. Now that is minus 5 I naught minus 2 I1 minus IA is I1 minus I naught plus 2 into IB, I2 minus I1 plus 4 IC. What about IC? IC is I naught minus I2. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Now minus 2 and minus 2, that is minus 4 I1 and that is 2A minus 2, sorry, plus 2 I2 minus, that is minus 2 I2. Okay, 2 minus 4. Okay, minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3 and plus 4 plus 2, 6, that is plus I2, sorry, I naught. This is equal to 0. So what about I1? Sorry, what about I1? I1 is written as I naught minus 2I2 divided by 4, that is equation number 2. Okay, this is the equation number 2, that is I naught minus 2I2 divided by 4. Okay, now we have considered another loop corresponding to here, plus to minus plus J 30 IC plus J 10 IA plus J 80 IB plus, sorry, minus J 60 IC minus J 30 IB minus J 20 IA plus to minus, that is 100 I2. This is equal to 0. Okay, now again if we multiply by 10J, then that is 3 IC plus IA plus 8 IB minus 6 IC minus 3 IB minus 2 IA. If divided by 1 by J means minus J, so minus 10J into I2, this is equal to 0. Clear? Now IA and IA, that is minus IA, IB and IB, that is plus 5 IB minus 6 IC, that is minus 3 IC and minus J 10 I2, this is equal to 0. So what about IA? Minus I1 minus I naught, it means that it is written as I naught minus I1. Clear? If multiply by minus, so that's why plus 5 IB, that is 5 I2 minus 5 I1, okay, minus 3 IC, well, 3 into I naught plus 3 into I2 minus J 10 into I2, this will equal to 0. Clear? I1 and I1, that is minus 6 I1 minus 6 I1, 5 I2, 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus J10 into I2, okay, and I naught minus 3, that is minus 2, that is minus 2 means 2 I naught, equation number 3, okay, that is equation number 3. 6 I1 okay. Now from equation number 2, from equation number 2, if this value putting here, that is minus 6 divided by 4 I naught minus 2 I2, okay, plus 8 minus J10 into I2, this will be equal to 2 I naught. Clear? So that is 1.5, so minus 1.5 I naught, and that is 3 plus 3 I2 plus 8 minus J10 into I2, this will be equal to 2 I naught. So finally, what about I2? I2 in the terms of I1, I2 in the terms of I naught, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3.2 whole divided by 11 minus J10 into I naught. So finally, I have written here 11 minus 10I is written as 3.2 divided by 14.866 at the angle minus 42. It is written as plus 42.27 I naught. Okay, so finally 3.2 divided by 14.866, that is 0.21525 at the angle plus 42.27 I naught. Clear? I2, finally we got I2 in the terms of I naught 21525 at the angle plus 42.27 into I naught. Okay, now another way, this is I2 in the terms of I naught. Now our next target, I1 in the terms of I naught. I1 this will equal to I naught minus 0.21525 into 2 at the angle plus 42.27 divided by 4. So we got this one is after multiplication we got 0.4 into I naught, 0.43051. okay, so 1 minus 0.4305 at the angle 42.27, this is 0.7404 at the angle minus 23.022 I naught whole divided by 4, that is I1. Okay, okay, If divide by 4, then we got this is 0.17035, 0.7404 divided by 4, that is 0851 at the angle minus 23.022 into I naught, that is I1. Okay, if I1 and I2 putting in equation number 1, I1 and I2 putting in equation number 1, so 10 I1, that is 10 means 10 into something, it means direct you can write now at the angle minus 23.022. okay, minus 6 into I2, 6 into I2 means 6 into 0.21525, that is direct you can write now 1.2915 at the angle 42.27. okay, minus 4 into I naught. So finally I naught is written as, if multiply minus, then we got negative, positive, positive and positive. okay, so 5 at the angle 90 whole divided by 4 plus 1.2915, 4 at the angle 0 plus 1.2915 at the angle 42.27. we got this one and this one, minus 851 at the angle minus 23.022. okay, and we got finally that is 3.62 at the angle 26.09. okay, so finally 5 at the angle 90 divided by 3.62 at the angle 26.09, and we got that is 1.3812 at the angle 63.91 ampere. This is the final answer. okay, make it, this is the final answer.